In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off replies on Instagram stories. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram. I can open up someone's story, and as you can see towards the bottom of the screen it shows me send message. That's actually what story replies are. I can just put in here one of that emojis, or I can send a message to that user as a reply to their story. Some stories has this feature and some doesn't. That depends on Instagram stories privacy settings, and let me show you how you can easily turn on or off replies on your Instagram stories. So first off, head over to your profile and then get into settings. On settings, tap at privacy and then tap at story, and that's where you can easily find allow message replies, and you can select between three different options. You can set it to everyone, to people you follow, or if you want you can turn that off. In this way you can easily choose who can reply to your story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.